Hello, my name is Mr. Bryson with Susquehanna Valley High School here in Conklin, New York, and we are on page 14 of Unit 1. And this is the reason why I'm sending you all these emails, because this one is like key to unlocking everything. So here we have an equal sign. That must mean that the left side equals the right-hand side. And it's like, well, wait a minute, we only have a 2 here and we have a 6 there, but it's telling us that we're going to multiply these together. So 2 times what is 6? Oh, that's a 3. And x squared times what is x to the fifth, must be x to the, let me see it, we're adding exponents, so 2 plus what is 5? Oh yeah, that's a 3 also. So this answer is 3x cubed. You got it? So right here, there's the equal sign. It says 4x cubed times what equals 12x to the eighth. Oh, that's 3x to the fifth. Why? Because 3 times 4 is 12, and x to the fifth times x cubed is x to the eighth. You got it? If not, make sure you ask me in class. So this one is going to be 10, and now I have x squared, and then I have x times what equals x squared. That's going to be another x. Y cubed times what is y to the fourth. That's going to be a y. There's the answers for exercise number 4. So the directions tell us to distribute. There are lots of ways to distribute. I'm going to show you the rainbow method right here. That's 10x squared plus 6x. Here, 5x cubed times 2x squared is 10x to the fifth, because remember, we multiply the coefficients and we add the exponents, and then minus 15x to the fourth plus 30x cubed. And there's the answer to C. And here's the answer to D. Remember, you only multiply like bases. The other base comes along for the ride. And there's the answer for E. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in class. Now here we go on to exercise number 7. The whole purpose of this is to get to understanding of factoring. So here I have 4x times what equals 8x squared. That's 2x. Now 4x times what equals 12x. I put the minus sign there because the answer is 3. Understand? I'm looking at the 4x, saying here, and I'm going to get the 8x somehow. So 4x times 2x is 8x squared. 4x times 3 is minus 12x. So we got it. This is saying 7x squared times what is 7x to the fourth? Well, 7 times 1 is 7, and then x squared times x squared is x to the fourth. Minus 7 times what is 21? 3. X squared times what is x cubed? That's x. Now 7 times what is 28? That's a 4. And then x squared times what is x squared? Just a 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. And there we go. There's the answer. You don't have to have that 1 there if you don't want to. X squared minus 3x minus 4. Had to check this one out a couple times. I think that's right. 2x squared minus 4xy plus 7y cubed. This one is really cool. I know that you've seen it before. We notice that we have the x minus 2 and the x minus 2. So that has been factored out. What are we left with? Factoring by parts or grouping, we're left with the 4x squared minus 9. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in class. This is page 14. We still have 15 and 16 for homework.